In today's video, we'll be providing you with the rain sensor fuse location for your 2020 through 2023 Ford Explorer. We'll also show you how to test this fuse. In order to locate the power distribution box, open the hood. The fuse box is located on the driver's side. Remove the access panel to reveal the fuses and relays. Automotive fuses are components that protect electrical circuits from overloads. They work by interrupting the flow of electricity when it exceeds a certain amount. Fuses consist of a metal strip or wire that melts when exposed to excessive amounts of current in a circuit. Here you see the location of the fuse. It's a 5 amp fuse. The fuse box diagram component number of the fuse is shown here in the picture. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. Here are some of the different types of fuses this vehicle's manufacturer uses across its vehicles. In order to determine what type of fuse you have, just compare it to the different fuses we have shown here. We'll drop some links down in the description below of where you can get some replacement fuses. Next, we'll show you how to use a multimeter to test a fuse. This is how you perform a resistance test using a digital multimeter. First, set your multimeter to resistance mode. Second, after making sure your test probes are in the correct ports and verifying your tool is configured correctly, touch one of your leads to one side of the fuse and touch your other lead to the other side of the fuse. If your display shows OL or doesn't change, this means the fuse is bad. If your display shows 0 or virtually 0 resistance, this means your fuse is good. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.